I'm not used to sitting. I'm so used to standing. I feel like my energy is being sucked away from sitting. In this video, I'm gonna break down the vocals of Billie Eilish singing Your Power. So let's sing something. La la la. Before I get started, I wanna let you know that I actually have a masterclass coming up. This is a mixed belting masterclass. It's gonna be absolutely amazing, and I will put the link down below. It's only $5. Yay! Let's get started. I love that it's just them. She's coming in with that air early on.
Try not to abuse your power. I know we didn't choose to change.
As you're going to create this sound, she's got a lot of excess air, so you really want to make sure that you're allowing that air to exhale. When you do that, make sure also that you take in a lot of breath, because you're gonna be letting go of so much air in order to create this sound that you're gonna run out pretty fast. So make sure you open up your mouth, open up your throat, and really allow a lot of air for this style sound.
You might not wanna lose your power, but having it so strange. She said you were a hero, you played the part, but you ruined her in a year. Don't act like it was hard.
All of her notes float. I don't know if you can hear that, but hero from the start. Every single note is connected to each other. This can be done by thinking of almost like a rubber band on your third eye, and you're focusing on that note as you're singing that intro. So this is for the verse of the song, the very, very beginning, really making sure that you're creating that connected sound, thinking of the notes all the way attached, heading forward.
And you swear you didn't know. No wonder why you didn't ask.
Yeah, see, all
She was
connected.
sleeping in your clothes, but now she's got to get to class. How dare you?
I love that you can hear the
And
wind.
how could you? Well, you only feel bad when they find out if you could take it all back.
So she has that excess air that I was talking about, where you really need to make sure that you have that breath. How dare you? It's almost like you're adding an H to a bunch of stuff that you don't need, like dare, for instance. Dare you instead of dare you. So add that H at the beginning of any word that you want to create this softer Billie Eilish sound. By the way, I also have a free downloadable breath support course, which will teach you more in depth on how to support your sound and allow you to manipulate the air, so that way you can create this Billie Eilish smoky, sultry kind of sound. I'll put that link down below.
Would you try not to
They sound so good together.
abuse your power? I know we didn't choose to change. You might not wanna lose your power, but having it so strange.
So on that chorus, if we're breaking that down, we're looking at you might not. She's not doing you might not. She's not creating that connected chord. She's really allowing that air sound still. So you again want to approach with that H. You might have, in order to allow that falsetto sound with the flip, and practice that section over and over again. and then add in the words to get that flip that she has there.
I thought that I was special. You made me feel like it was my fault. You were the devil, lost your appeal. Does it keep you in control? For you to keep her in a cage.
Hear that pull all the way out.
Didn't know. You said you thought she was your age. How dare you? And how could you? Will you only feel bad if it turns out
it's all connected.
that they kill your contract?
Every sound is really small right in the front. Everything that she says has got this closed lip, small whisper sound. There's never a big, bold opening space for her. She really just keeps it there. In order to keep the attention of your audience, she has to keep floating her notes forward with that third eye string that I was talking about. Otherwise, it would just drop off and we'd lose interest.
Would you try not to abuse your power?
There's a flip.
I know we didn't choose to change. You might not wanna lose.
She really holds back her sound a lot. I bet she'd be really powerful if she wanted to be.
But power